Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvani lo amathimba amaningi ayathenga engabe yakho i-team iyathenga na. So ngiphethe indaba zakubhethe Premiership bafethu amathimba ayathenga. Ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ezihamba phambili bafethu. I-Kaizer Chiefs isimtholile umdlali ekade imfuna bafethu. Asanele vele bayi the player that was playing for i-Cape Town Spurs. I-Cape Town Spurs ikade yayilwa indaba Asanele vele bayi uthi ayijoin i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uma ukhumbula kahle last season i-Kaizer Chiefs yayimfuna ukumthenga lo mjida lo but ke i-Cape Town Spurs yathi cha ayifuni ukumdedela uAsanele vele bayi because umdlali obalekile for i-Cape Town Spurs. I-Cape Town Spurs yazi yamenza ukapteni lo mjida lo bedlala ku-NFD last season. But i-Cape Town Spurs right now ya-relegate wayale ehlathini lesibili lebhola la eSouth Africa. So i-Kaizer Chiefs yafika umjida yamnikeza i-contract wayisayina umjida i-contract. Kube khona nama back and forth ke regarding yena umjida neteam yakhe kwazi kwayiwa enkantolo but ke i-Kaizer Chiefs igcine ikwazile ukulwina lo cala sebemsayini lo mjida. He is now cosified. Usezodlalela nje i-Kaizer Chiefs kulama games akhona la kwi-Betway Premiership. So mbona futhi edlana kwi-CAF Confederation. Ngisakuyona nje i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Umdlali we-Kaizer Chiefs omusha naye u-Ethan usengayidlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs useyitholile umjida i-passport yakhe emgunyaza ukuthi adlale khona le South Africa. Manikhumbula kahle ke le i-Sundowns player le England ubedlala kwi-club le England but right now ubuyile udlalela amakhosi bafethu. So useyitholile i-passport yakhe usengadlala kwi-Betway Premiership. Nayo paseka makho manikhumbula kahle umjida ubene slightly injury but ke kuthiwa umjida uzoqhubeka adlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs naye useclear. Mokhumbula ubene ama-injury. Ungomunye wabadlali abasayinwe i-Kaizer Chiefs kuleli windi leli siphuma kulona same as uThabiso Monyane. uMonyane use-impressile kwi-Kaizer Chiefs amafans ayamthanda. Ingabe upaseka Marco naye uzofola in that rabbit hole? Ngabe uzolandela inyathelweni zakhe uMonyane noma yena ngiyazi afike a-impress kwi-Kaizer Chiefs? Angazi ungangitshela ama-comments. Are you looking forward to see upaseka Marco kwi-Kaizer Chiefs? Kwezinye zeyindaba bafethu umdlalo obedlalela Orlando Pirates uSiphelo Balondi last season ubekwi-loan kwi-Chippa United. Right now useyi-free agent. Orlando Pirates esasanda kumdedela nje. There was no announcement enziwe Orlando Pirates. Indaba lezi engiyitholile kuthiwa umjida useyi-free agent aregistiwe isho ukurejistwa kwi-website ye-Orlando Pirates kule season ezoqala. Ngisakubona nje abadlali abanganawunsanga ukuthi bayashiya Orlando Pirates. uKarim Kimvwiti bafethu is another player right now usedlala le Israel udlalela club Israel. Kuthiwa use-complete a-permanent move even though ngaka-announcwa indaba yakhe umjida but ke abe khona ama-video ebonakala edlala for leya club leya. Kuthiwa usayine i-deal ya-1 year with i-club yase-Israel. Asazi-ke indaba bafethu izophele kanjani. Orlando Pirates ama-deals wayo iwenza abantu abaningi bengaboni, iwenza behind the scenes. Kwezinye zindaba bafethu kuthiwa uThembinkosi Lodge i-deal yakhe with i-Wydad Casablanca isakhona. I-deal yakhe with i-Wydad isa-on. Silindele indaba-ke la sifuna ukubona ukuthi ngempela uzosayina with i-Wydad Casablanca but indaba zakhe ne-Wydad zisa-on bafethu. Ingxoxo zisakhulunywa. Kwezinye zindaba bafethu uMohamed Karim has joined the club yase-Belgium bafethu. Lo mjida lo is a former Mamelodi Sundowns player wayedlalela futhi i-Wits. Kwezinye zindaba bafethu kuthiwa i-Royal AM izobhekana nelinye icala futhi. Leli cala ke lona lizwale elasemsunduzi municipality. Kuthiwa imsunduzi municipality ya-awada i-Royal AM nge-sponsorship sa-3 years esi-unlawful. Kuthiwa i-High Court isirulile ukuthi i-Royal AM melikhokhe u-27 million sponsorship eyawuthola kumsunduzi municipality yabo. Kuthiwa le sponsorship lesi sathola singekho unlawful. Kuthiwa ama-investigation ukuthi ba-awadwa kanjani le contract le isazo-investigatewa le ndaba le but ke kuthiwa kumele bayikhokhe le mali le. Umsunduzi usenkingeni, i-Royal AM isenkingeni. Umuntu owa-awada la kumele aphume obala ukuze icala kuthiwa liye court ngempela. Kwezinye zindaba bafethu umdlalo obedlalela amaZulu uRowan Human usehambile wayojoyina iclub edlala le-Europe eSerbia bafethu i-FK Partizani. Kuthiwa le club le uzodlala for 2 years. Yabo he penned a 2-year deal with the club. Le umjida bafethu currently ubeyi-free agent njengoba ngishilo nje urelease wamaZulu. Yangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona into kanje bafethu from a free agent to a European move. Let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle lapha impress atholwa amanye ama-club amakhulu ase-Europe. Kwezinye zindaba bafethu u-talented midfielder ucela impilo ngema and forward uThokozani Sibanyoni have resurfaced at Motsepe Foundation Championship side iKruger United.